The X16 is the first small business telephone system specifically designed for easy and quick self-installation for any business with 2 to 16 employees. The X16 is an all-inclusive system that is fully equipped with all the features your business would ever need, which also means no future unexpected expenses to add optional features. Popular features like automated receptionist, voicemail, caller ID, conference, and forwarding calls automatically to your cell phone are all standard features of the X16. Use the LCD interactive buttons to access your own personal phone book entries, view caller ID information, or to look at your call log of outgoing calls, or recording of live telephone conversations to your voicemail box. To keep things simple, the X16 uses standard telephone lines, so there is no need for a connection from the system to the internet. And if for any reason you ever need assistance, just call XBLUE's real-live US-based product support. Whether you are replacing an older phone system or moving into a new office, the X16 is designed for your quick and easy installation. So hold on to your money and do it yourself with the X16 from XBLUE.